Welcome back everyone to another comprehensible input vlog in my old style. Today we are in Ha Long Bay here in Vietnam. 2 twin beds, and this is my mom. 2 lamps on in Ha Long Bay. Blocks the majority of the sunlight. Has his own kayak.
It's going to go fabulous.
Here is a paddle. But last time I was here, that's called rage baiting. I think we'll probably head back soon. We woke up too early. Also flower petals on the table. 1 big candle where we'll be exploring villages. Here you can see we just checked into our room on this cruise ship. Here you have 2 twin beds. 2 twin beds. This is my brother's bed and this is my bed. And this is my mom.
Hello.
Hello, excuse me. And this right here is my mom's room. You can see the size of this bed. This bed is huge. This is a king bed. The king bed has 4 pillows. 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has 2 lamps, each nightstand, and the nightstand has a drawer. The handle of the drawer is silver. Anyway, we are about to go out right now and go kayaking here in Ha Long Bay. You can also see we have a balcony. This is a balcony. There is a table and 2 chairs. Each chair has a cushion. The chairs are gray. There are also 2 flower pots on each side of the balcony. And over there is the washroom, or you can call it the bathroom. This you can see is a see-through curtain, and this is not a see-through curtain. This blocks the majority of the sunlight, but you can still see a little bit of sunlight coming through here. Get my 3,000 most common English words PDF and start learning the words that will allow you to understand up to 95% of everyday English. It includes clear definitions, real examples, and simple organization by topic and CEFR level. Get it in the description or at volkaenglish.com. And down there, you have a lady selling beer, water, chips, and other snacks. So if I want, I can go talk to her and buy some snacks. This right here is our washroom. You can see here, we have a bathtub. A bathtub. I haven't taken a bath in years, but I might use this. Here we have our sink, our toilet, and our standing shower. I'll give you a full tour later on, but for now, we have to go kayaking. You can see my mom has her action camera. Let me put my shoes on and let's go. Okay, so now we're heading down the stairs to the bottom floor to get the kayaks. Now we're gonna get on the kayaks here. So Leon's life jacket is very tight again, but honestly, we're not surprised. Grown man, by the way, you can loosen it. Look at mine, bro. Mine's not even tight. So now we're on the kayaks here. You can see Leon has his own kayak, and he also has the GoPro selfie stick, and he's by himself in that blue kayak. Me and my mom are in this lime green kayak, and we are 2 people in this kayak. Leon is just 1 person alone. Over there, you can see multiple cruise ships, and that right there is our cruise ship, the Mon Chéri. And now we're gonna kayak over there to the shore line and explore. Are you excited, Mom?
Oh, I know how this is going to go.
How does it feel?
It's going to go fabulous because I feel like I'm the one that I have to bat. Leon!
Some real speed.
Reflective strip right here on her life jacket, and her life jacket is red. There is also white writing and black straps. This right here is a paddle. A paddle. It is black, silver, and yellow. Leon right now is pulling a rope. Leon might have ADHD.
He's excited.
But you can see a lot of kayakers over there. So let's head over there now. So I guess that's what you do when you're too tired to sit up straight. You just lay down. You can see Leon is laying down in his kayak. Yo, how's that, Leon? He said it's pretty comfortable.
He's so funny.
I'm here, no backrest. My mom, this is what she's using as her
I'm
backrest.
surprised I have a back.
Low key, my toes are gonna break, but you know what? It's worth it. Bro, look at this guy, dude. I'm gonna show you guys what we have today for dinner. But man, for lunch we ate so much. It was a lot of food because it was like buffet style. So we got to like dish up our own food, but it was literally just straight protein. Okay, Mom, what do you think so far of our kayaking experience?
I think it's unique. The first time ever that I am here in Ha Long Bay. This is your second time, and
Yeah.
it's beautiful.
But last time I was here, it was so like overcast and like foggy. You couldn't even see anything. Like you wouldn't be able to see those mountains in the distance.
Did you guys go kayaking?
Yeah, we went kayaking, we went to this cave, we went squid fishing. We did everything we're gonna do, but then not as much though, because here you do more though.
Yeah, we're going to go to Lanha Bay.
But I remember it was like a lot colder. I came in February, I think. It was cold. Like I remember it being cold. I was like, dude, I do not want to swim. Now I can swim. Now it's like,
I think the water would be nice.
yeah,
The water
now
feels
it's not
nice.
too bad. If it was sunny out, it would be even better. But
Yeah, the water feels nice.
now it's not too bad. I could definitely
Yeah,
swim.
there's a little bit of garbage, but not too much.
Where? Oh,
Like,
along the edge?
yeah, along the edge there.
You can see along the edge, there is like a lot of garbage. Not a lot, but you
Yeah,
know,
some
a lot
plastics. Yeah.
A lot for a park, because this is a park, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. No, it's a lot for this area, which is like sad, but I guess people throw their garbage
Yeah.
out for some reason, and then it just finds its way into these bays.
They don't have any
side.
cleanup projects and
Yeah. So yeah, you can see the limestone rock formations behind us. This honestly reminds me a lot of Avatar, doesn't it? Like everything here. Oh, the first Avatar. What's the planet called? Pandora's box. Yeah. It's called Pandora's box.
no, it's called Pandora.
So which one is it? Pandora or Pandora's box?
It's just Pandora.
Andorra.
Pandora.
There's a P or an A.
Oh God, help us.
That's called rage baiting. And it was successful. Successfully rage baited both of them.
Okay.
No, but this is really nice. This water is like kind of like green. Like green and blue.
Yep, it's
Really
very
nice. And honestly, it's not even that cold.
No. Do you think I can get my backrest back? Oh, okay, there we go. Now we can continue talking. Now it's really, really nice. And there's
It's
kind
salty,
of a lot of
right?
people.
It's not that salty. It's not actually that salty at all. I really thought it would be a lot saltier. Try it.
No, thank you. I don't want to have diarrhea.
It's just salt water. You're not supposed to drink it. Well, I spit out the salt water that was in my mouth. I spit it back into the water. I know, yeah, that's pretty gross, but better than drinking it, because I guess it can give you diarrhea or something, right, Mom?
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Who knows? And you know, feeling sick when you're traveling, especially if it's a stomach bug, is the worst.
Yeah, fortunately, I don't think any of us have felt sick except for Leon, but he's low-key a little weak, so that's kind of normal for him, even if he wasn't traveling. But
Yeah, he
for us,
seems to be sick all the time.
for us that are built different and built like absolute machines, yeah, we didn't get sick at all. Like
No.
low-key. Like local kentological flow onionly, we did not get sick.
No, I didn't
my
sleep well
gosh.
last night. I had such a good nap in the afternoon. Goodness gracious.
Dude, I did not sleep well last night because what?
Why? I don't know why we didn't sleep well.
Because I woke up at 5 a.m. and I was like, oh, dude, I'm not going back to bed.
Well, I didn't sleep well because I think I had a coffee too late. I had like a coffee at 3 o'clock. And that was too late maybe.
Yeah.
And then I didn't sleep well, but I'm kind of retaining water. So I think I need to eat more salt. I don't drink
You need
enough
to drink
water.
more salt water right here.
Yeah.
Dude.
Pick your poison.
Yeah, dude, you literally got it unlimited right here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I feel like yesterday I didn't drink enough water. So today I'm going to drink more.
I like how it's not super sunny because that would definitely be like burning me and hurting my eyes. But I
No.
think we'll probably head back soon and we'll give you like a deeper tour of the whole cruise ship, and then we'll show you what we're having for dinner, because I know that's going to be some deliciosa food. Actually, I'll insert some clips right here of what we had for lunch. It was really, really nice. It was like a buffet style. The one side was all like warm, hot foods, and the other side was like cold foods and dessert.
Lots of
and
seafood.
fruit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
a lot
I
of
have to
seafood.
say, whenever there's beef on the menu, we'll always go for the beef. So I hope it's delicious,
Oh,
because
yeah,
we're
'cause-
used to Alberta beef.
Dinner isn't going to be
It's a set menu.
it's like a menu, it's not a buffet. This cruise ship is really nice, and the dining hall is really nice too. And I like how each room has its own personal balcony. That's fire.
So we're on the kind of on the second floor if you look at it, because that's where the view is the best, and we'll hear almost no engine noise, and it's also very good for you for filming. So you can thank me later.
Thank you. Or later, even later.
Okay, good.
Anyways, we'll finish up kayaking here and head back to the cruise ship. See you guys in the cruise ship. so we're passing a boat right here. We're actually about to hit it. Oh, we got a little too close to the boat, but that's our boat up there, so we're just gonna paddle towards it. Almost hit this boat right here though. Yo, who's that guy over there? Who's that guy over there?
Where is it?
Look over there.
His back
Bro,
is
that's like, that's giving, you know, Wally, the people that just sit in the chairs.
I remember that, Wally.
They just sit in the chairs and like eat and stuff, bro. That's what he reminds me of. If you want to learn faster, get the workbook for this video on my website. It includes deeper explanations and exercises to help you remember and master what you learned. And if you get 5 or more workbooks, you'll get 30% off automatically at checkout. So go to the description or my website, volkaenglish.com. So we just got back from kayaking. How was that, Mom?
My butt's all wet. It was good.
Yeah, me too.
Is yours? Look, mine is wet.
So. Actually, not too bad. I just feel like really damp, but
do you want to go for a swim?
Wet. You're very wet. I'm gonna go and have a shower because I didn't have a shower this morning.
You did not?
No. We woke up too early. But what time is the next activity thing?
I think it's at 6 o'clock.
So there's a break right now?
Yeah, it's for cooking.
Looks good.
Yeah, you want to taste it?
Yep.
I'm still gonna ask you for more.
Looks good. Okay, so now we are having dinner, or we are about to have dinner. This is the dining hall, and this is the set dinner we're gonna have. We have a soup and appetizer, a main course. All 3 of us went with option 1, the beef, and then for dessert, tiramisu with chocolate sauce. This is our table. Leon's sitting by himself in the corner. My mom is sitting beside me, and I am sitting on her right-hand side. You can see they gave us 2 forks, 2 knives, a tiny fork, and a spoon. I believe all of these have names, but I just don't really know them.
So the rule is you eat from the outside in. So be your salad, fork, and knife. And this will be for your soup, and that's your dessert fork.
But do you know the names? I think the names are pretty complicated.
A salad fork.
Oh, that's it. Just that simple. Oh, I thought it would be some fancy British stuff.
That's what I would call it. Maybe the British will call it something else. This is a placemat. It's a leather placemat.
Yeah, a leather placemat. This is a glass. Here we have a wet towel. This is a cold wet towel. And there are also flower petals on the table, and even a small plant. And we have 2 candles on the table, 1 small candle and 1 big candle. These are salt and pepper shakers, and this is...
I don't know, what is that?
Toothpicks, I think.
I forgot to restock them.
And this right here is our napkin. You usually put these cloth napkins on your lap, or you could tuck it into your shirt.
That's in extreme cases. Normally you just put it on your lap.
Yeah. Anyway, this is where we're eating dinner tonight. Alright, this is the first dish. It's duck salad. Okay, this is the second course. What is it, Mom?
It is a pumpkin soup with scallops, creamy pumpkin soup with seared scallops and crispy baguette.
I don't think you're gonna like this one.
Why?
I think it looks good. Okay, so this is another course. Mashed potato, fish, and some greens.
With passion fruit sauce.
Looks really good. This one is the grilled sea bass with passion fruit sauce, mashed potatoes, and buttered vegetables. Okay, here we have the main course. This is option 2. Oh no, sorry, this is option 1. 5-spice grilled beef with tamarind juice, emerald rice, and steamed zucchini. Okay, this is dessert. You can see I already took 2 small bites, but we have some fruit and a tiramisu cake. If you want to speak English more clearly and naturally, then join my speaking and pronunciation course. You get instant access to almost 100 video lessons with 2 new lessons every week, a clear step-by-step practice system and an exclusive prompt to help you master the pronunciation of any word. Inside, we work on pronunciation, accent, rhythm, and natural speaking, so you can stop hesitating and speak with more confidence. That's our first full day here in Howlong Bay, and tomorrow we have another full day where we'll be exploring villages, caves. We'll also be kayaking, swimming, and riding bikes. So make sure to watch the next video if you want to see that. And remember, guys, you will become fluent in English. Bye, guys.